Welcome to the 13th video on building a social network with Go. This time, we will add comment notifications. When you comment on a post, you get subscribed to it and you will start receiving notifications after each new comment. So, let's make the necessary tables. Besides subscriptions, I will add the post ID in the notifications table. And a unique index to easily group notifications. Now, let's move to our back-end service to subscribe the users when they create a post. Just after inserting the post, I will insert the subscription. Let me add the subscribed status to the post struct. We will also subscribe after creating a comment. The difference here is that the user can be already subscribed, so we add an on-conflict clause. Now, just before ending this method, we need to send the notifications. That will be inside a Go routine. I will also fetch the comment user. So, this notification is quite different to the follow notification. Since you create notifications for each user subscribed, instead of just one. We use the subscriptions table to do an insert select. We don't want to notify the user making the comment, so we filter it out. And using an on-conflict clause, we group the notifications. I use array remove here, to make sure the actor list is unique. I just need to scan these rows now. Oh, and add the post ID to the notification struct. It can be null, so let's make it a pointer. Okay, that is done. Since we added the post ID, let's include it in the method where we retrieve notifications. Done. Now, let's test how it goes. I will try to comment on John's post as Jane. Looks like something went wrong. I see it. I was thinking about the notification unique index. This should be like that. Let's try again. Now, I should see a comment notification in John's. Weird. It's empty. I remember now. Since that is a sample post I inserted in the SQL script, I forgot to subscribe John to it. There it is. Let's try it all again. First, Jane will make a comment. And you see it there. Now, another user writes a comment. And it gets grouped with the old notification. Now, John marks his notifications as read. Jane writes another comment. But this time, it doesn't group because the other notification is already read. This looks very much done. Now, I will add a method to cancel the subscription. You know, maybe you don't want to keep receiving notifications on a thread. First, I'll check authentication. Then, I will create a transaction. Then, I will query if the subscription already exists. If the subscription exists, I will delete it. Otherwise, I will insert a new one. I will check for the post ID foreign key. Don't forget to commit. And finally, invert the subscribed status. Let's make an HTTP endpoint for it. The post ID comes from the URL path. We handle the errors correspondingly. And finally, respond back. Let's test now. Nice. It successfully toggles the subscription. Now that John is no longer subscribed, if Jane tries to comment on his post, he shouldn't get notified. And sure, he is not. Before ending this video, let's quickly include the subscribed state for the posts. Here, the logic is the same as how we check if a post is already liked. Let's test it. Okay. That looks like a typo. Here. Let's try again. Now it looks cool. Yes, all works fine. That's the end for this video. See you in the next one.